So today's Saturday, today's the SD wrap meet. Got the full tank of gas, and last night I was making a video and I was literally done. I was about to click export and I was trying to forget what I was doing. I was trying to edit something or click cut kind of when I clicked it, but I didn't know what it was. And then all of a sudden all my shit disappeared. I was rage mode. Fuck it. So let's get down there and get on the road and head out because I'm late. I'm rolling it out just like I told you guys. Fuck. Come on, bitch. Shit is so loud, it's ridiculous. Every time, every day. I roll it out because I have respect for my neighbors. I don't like to do that because shut the fuck up. Because everything's got to warm up a wee tad. But fuck, pushing a bitch out. Let's roll. Got cold as fuck with these windows down. This fucking ethanol and all kinds of smells that get stuck in here. I think I'm kind of loaded right now. We're almost here. Can you see that? One more turn. One more turn. Alright, my dudes, we made it. It's like retarded packed. Subarus in the side parking lot. Yeah, it's okay though. It'll be good. What the fuck is this? Shut up. So it's popping off pretty good right now. There's a shit ton of cars before it even started. I saw this one. It's got a little trumpet. It's BMW though. I feel like I've seen it before. That yellow. I need a picture of the booty. Got the front. Need a booty. Oh, the tree. I've seen like 2 of these in my life. These hatch coupe fucking Beamers. Another STI over here. This is that color that Kevin wants. Ballistic something something blue. Guess these LED things are a thing. This Evo's got some nut cruncher seats. Straight nut crunchers. I could do that. Fuck that. I just found the goods. All the goods hiding from me. Shouldn't even be allowed in the room with this. What are they thinking? Found your car, Dylan. I'm pretty sure. 98%. Yep, there's the fiber. Found you. Where are you at though? I'm gonna put a sticker on your car. Some little girl just walked by and said, "That's Rudolph." That was cute. That was funny. You saw the antlers. Oh shit. I forgot to open the hood. Let people take a peek. I hate doing that because I feel like a tool. But everybody's curious. Can't get out. Fuck. What are you at, Dylan? You're not in the car. You're not at the car. I'm in the car. This is the car. I'm in it. I'm sitting in the car. You're not here. So I came out of the car looking for Dylan, and then I found this dude.
What's up, guys?
What's up? He was just checking out the car.
Nice car. Instagram is 94_Teggy.
What car are you running?
Just an Integra.
Integra? Integras are nice. They sound pretty sweet.
Yeah, 2 Integras actually. Front-wheel drive.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Right? Damn. Forgot about that.
Low budget royalty. It's my crew. Low budget royalty. Don't have much people yet, but we're getting stronger.
Right?
100
San Diego.
so far. Yep, San Diego.
Best way to do it. San Diego's lit.
Yep.
Look at this thing.
Liam.
Hi. What's the breed?
Samoyed Husky. Full-blooded Samoyed Husky.
Hello. You guys, look. This is like half bear, half wolf.
Oh my. Dude, look at the feet. Look at this fucking brake dust. Brown rims. Brown. Oh wow, I can ride in them.
Guys, hi
Those are some dirty wheels.
Batman wheels now.
Hardwood floor.
Look at this shit.
This is cool. Big ass.
This guy's going hard right now. I was talking to Dylan and I found Dustin, and I think I'm taking them both for spins. Dustin says he's got to go to the airport, so.
Some assholes are burning it right now at the place, the SD wraps. Someone started there. Holy fucking shit. So I jumped in Tyler's car and that shit ain't happening, dude. Does the seat go back? Oh, okay, there we go. That's a little better. This shit is just gnarly. I don't think I'm gonna fit at all. I'm just stuck. If this had interior, I wouldn't even fit whatsoever. This is fucking insane, dude. Fucking insane. Holy shit. And I heard all that dust and shit flies in your eyes. Fuck that. Alright, he said opening the door makes it easier to get out.
Hey, just hit it.
Just hit it, he doesn't like it anyway.
That's crazy. Oh my gosh, so much wheel. So, I see the streamer. Put your ass in it.
Hashtag deep dish.
Thumbnail me. Dude, pose. That's the perfect picture. That turning radius. Gonna make it from there to there. House of Wraps. Yo, what is that? Somebody did it. That's fucking crazy. Oh shit. See how much they're asking for the new STIs. This is used $36,000 for a, what year is it? 15. There, right in my face. That color is so sweet. Nardo gray. I'm gonna park the little, the fuck did I just say? I'm gonna bring the car a little bit closer because I'm planning to take people for rides. I want them to be able to find me. They're starting to leave, but whatever. Better late than never. These fucking parking spaces at these car meets. Always squishing nuts and squeezing out. It's crazy how all the GTRs you can get them to look just a little bit different than each one. Just with like aggressive wheels. You know, the wall, the tire, the carbon fiber mirrors. It's like a car meet for a car. I heard somebody dub this the Guacazilla. The color is pretty sick. The camera does pick it up good too though. Dude, the color's pretty sweet. They said it's a one-off color. Pretty dope. What I'm seeing is pretty much what you're seeing on camera too, so that's good. Changes color as you go. You're gonna do this feature flyby. People looking at the car.
There's only one way to know.
Out of all engine covers, Mercedes does it right. See, I was parked right there in that sad little corner, and then everything's taking place over here. Dude, that blue with the interior, holy shit, that looks good. The black accents. Oh my gosh. The Mustang Crew's leaving. Oh, oh. Okay, safe. Here's a stock exhaust on a Subaru. This is the STI with 2.5. Oh, you killed it. You made it sound like it was loud. You can't even do it. That doesn't sound half bad. Bagged. Bagged. See if he can lower it. Lower that thing one time. Yo, it's so satisfying. Why'd you steal people's cars? The Asian driver, no survivor?
Dude, this is a bad situation.
Well, you're good.
Yeah?
Just turn right and then pull forward, and then you'll be good. Now pull it forward and kick it to the right.
Oh my god, I do not know what the fuck I'm doing.
You're good. Oh, my bark flew out. I put bark in there.
Good?
Yeah, you're good. What the fuck, man? Where's my key?
I said, oh fuck, you turned it off. I said, okay, car alarm.
You didn't see shit. That's aftermarket.
Video
That wasn't your fault. That was aftermarket.
I didn't. Were you talking about my exhaust and then it went off?
I put bark in there.
What?
I put a piece of bark in there.
Why?
And it flew out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
It was a little
Look,
long one.
Subi boys.
Suba dudes.
STI boys. Kobe.
You just vaped it in my car. Yo, you set that fucking aftermarket alarm off, dude. I've never had that happen. By the way, I'm with Dylan. Dylan's chilling,
What's out?
checking out his
Hi guys.
slow brew over here.
It's fully built race. Enkai's stage 3 track day. Fucking Evo.
Splitters and everything's under the car.
Cannards.
Yeah.
Cannards, as some people like to call them.
You just can't see it because it's all built. It's like the motor. You can't see that stuff.
Yeah. Let's bag our Camaro, make it neon green, and then go to tracks on it.
That was louder than I thought it was going to be.
It was a little bit louder.
That was fucking loud.
488.
Someone gonna get drive-by carded. You didn't see shit. Woo! This thing right here, is that the Tomei? What is that? Oh shit. No, Expert. What brand is that?
Tomei?
Okay, it was. I was right. Is it catless? Yeah. Okay. So he's getting tuned up and fixed up by Metro too. Woo! That's gonna be sweet. Might go check it out. He's got the Tomei. How the fuck? How come I gotta get a diesel tip and you got a fucking
Titanium.
Is there like insides to it?
It's just straight.
It is? It's just don't rev it while I'm looking at it. Fuck, man. I might have to get one of those. I want to hear it rip. I'll see you when you leave.
Do a little one.
Yeah, hit me up.
Later, man.
Don't do nothing crazy.
Nothing.
There's police everywhere right now. That sounds fucking identical to my diesel tip. And he's rocking the Tomei. Catless, no resonator. You already filmed this? Green Machine. I think that's a drink. Or Naked or something, right? Green Machine.
Hey, call me! Okay. Headphone warning.
Nope. It doesn't even matter if you didn't get it the first time.
Take 2, brother. Oh, later vlog.
Alright, we're heading out. Say bye, everybody. Say bye, everybody. Dylan's behind me too. Is there a car? No car. You wanted to hear it. I hear your little stinker blow off out. What's up?